Namaste and a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. I, Vanshika Mittal, the outgoing school associate captain, am extremely privileged to have the honor to address you all on this very special day of investiture ceremony. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of our students and is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of school events. Finally, this beautiful day has arrived, made even more extraordinary by the unprecedented situation we're in. I'm sure you have all been eagerly waiting. To commence the ceremony, I request everyone to stand for the school song.
Every day's a new sun, head held high without fear. We stretch our arms towards perfection. We play with shapeless ideas in quest of widening our thoughts. We gear up to explore the depths of truth. Creative, inventive, productive. Our thinking shall be to reach the unreachable stars, to dream, to dare, to do. We strive to construct the impossible dream. In this temple of learning, with teachers guiding our spirits and parents standing as pillars, we move hand in hand to excel and discover new talents and to run where the brave dare not go. Creative, inventive, productive, our thinking shall be to reach the unreachable stars, to dream, to dare, to do. We strive to construct the impossible dream. Adding cheer to this life, giving more to the world, to keep the flame of wisdom burning, and sculpting a cosmic drive. We march into our tomorrow. Creative, inventive, productive, our thinking shall be to reach the unreachable stars, to dream, to dare, to do. We strive to construct the impossible dream, to construct the impossible dream, to construct the impossible dream.
Investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, power, rights, office, and dignity. Being a school appointment, one of my key takeaways from the last year was the importance of teamwork. Once a great person said, when we begin to work with each other versus against each other, we begin to get a lot more done. I encourage all the ninth graders to work together as a team and engage in healthy competition. Now, I request our beloved chairman, sir, to address us all and, of course, announce the much awaited captains.
Namaste, my dear Gear Cubs, siblings, Gear parents,
Namaste, sir.
Gear mentor.
Namaste, sir.
Now, this is an important day in the life of all the Gear Cubs, not only those who are going to be appointed, because every activity in the school is a source of learning. And I'm extremely proud and happy to see all of you grow so well, become so confident, and you understand things and you are able to communicate them very well. For example, right now, Vanshika and Aryan, you are doing such a wonderful job at the age of maybe 14, 15. It's really great. And this is how you make your life. So let me start with quote from Einstein, which has been projected already, which says, schooling or wisdom is not the product of schooling. See, when we say you don't get wisdom from the schooling aspect, how do you get your wisdom? You get your wisdom or you become wise by the lifelong attempt to acquire it, by your efforts to acquire wisdom, because it is wisdom that matters in your life, not the schooling or not the knowledge part. When we say wisdom to be acquired, you can acquire it only through experience and reflecting on the experience that you have had. So, wisdom never gets completed. It always gets refined. As you move on, if you can learn more from what happens, you become better, you become wiser. So, Einstein's quotes are very simple but very deep. With that understanding of collecting wisdom and becoming wise, let's see a bit about leadership per se. We need to keep thinking about it. Maybe you should revisit the word metacognition, meaning you think about how you think and what you think. You also think about how you become wise, how you become better. So, all these experiences should be able to add to your kitty of wisdom. That will be possible only when you reflect upon that. What happened, what did not happen, what you planned, did it go that way or did it change, and how did you manage? You just reflect upon that whenever you get time, and all of you should discuss with each other in whatever fashion or whenever you get time. Talk about them. I think this happened this way because of this reason. Somebody else will come out with something, because in school, learning has different dimensions. I've been involved in debating about this virtual schooling. The one aspect I feel being missed out is peer learning. You see, when you meet each other, when you interact with each other, the learning is different. That's why a school is important. Otherwise, many of your parents can afford to have a tutor at home and they can teach you. That is not schooling. That is not learning. Learning is from different sources, and the main source is your peers, your colleagues. This is what will be important even when you become an appointee. You have to learn from each other. You have to learn from your juniors, you have to learn from your seniors. That learning should always be constant and keep improving in its quality. So we have faith and belief in all of you. We have confidence in all of you. We have great love and affection to all of you. We want you to learn in the given opportunity. It doesn't matter who is designated a captain and who is designated a vice captain and who is not designated anything. And I also have another surprise. After I announce the appointments of school appointments 4 and each house 3 appointments, so 4 into 3, 12 plus 4, 16 of you. I have one more round. We'll come to that. First and foremost, we are looking at school captain. School captains, we have got 2 classes. We'll take up 5th a little later. Today we'll look at the school captains of grade 12 and school appointments of grade 9. We'll start with grade 12 first. You may ask me a question, why we have captains in grade 12? Actually, we should have captains in grade 11. But since children come and join from other schools and they take up a new direction, it's very difficult to know them. And I can say we'll give appointments only to gear cubs, those who came from 10th standard. That may not be fair, because we have got a history of a child who came from another school who passed out as a school captain in 12th standard. So we want to be open-minded. We want to give them time. to mingle and know each other. And by the end of 11th grade, we do make up our mind and decide who should be the captain and who may not be the captain. Okay, we'll go to the names. This year, unfortunately, we cannot appoint you with putting the pip on you. It will be an announcement. You will get the pips by courier, and you can ask your parents to pin it on you. Okay, that'll be another good ceremony at home. School captain from the 12th grade is a boy from Kaveri House. His name is Drupad. Drupad Rishabh, you are the school captain for grade 12. Associate captain is a girl from Narmada. She is Arya J.S. Narang. Arya, always congratulations. Now we have two vice captains, one from Narmada and one from Ganga. From Narmada, it is again a girl, Suhani. Suhani Agarwal, congratulations. Yes. Okay, all the best. We have a fourth school vice captain, Archit Saigul. Archit?
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Congratulations, all the best. So these are the four school appointments. You'll be proudly showing off your pips or epaulets. When it comes to house appointments, Kaveri, Yash Abhijit Lote, house captain. Yes, where are you? Yes, congratulations. And Lakshana, vice captain. Lakshana Mukundan, vice captain. Yes, Lakshana, all the best. All right. You're happy? Lakshana, I don't see any expression on you.
I don't know, sir.
All right, all the best. Then we come to Ganga,
Thanks, sir.
Kavya Ganeshan. House captain, Kavya.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
All the best. And your vice captain, Archisa Sanyal.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all the best, all the best. Now we come to Krishna, Anmit Kelkar. We go to vice captain Anushka Balamurugan. Anushka?
Thank
Yes.
you, sir.
All the best. We come to Narmada, Imanish, house captain. And Soumya Mahesh Nair, vice captain. Is Soumya anywhere on the screen? Okay, all the best. Congratulations. So all the 12th graders, this year you have to pay attention to your studies. Also pay a little attention to this role given to you, but your priority should be doing all round everything well. First priority is your studies. Okay. Now shall we go to give a big hand to all the 12th graders? Anybody would like to say anything about the apartment? Drupad?
Yes, sir.
Drupad, would you like to say something?
I don't know. Not really, sir.
You don't need to know, my dear. Just say what comes to your mind.
How do you feel?
I feel really honored to be given this position, and
Were you
this
expecting?
was very unexpected for me.
Yes. I think if it's unexpected, it's better. If you're expecting and you did not get, you will get disappointed. We should keep doing. Things will come. Okay. So we are again following the same pattern that we do every year. 4 school appointments, 3 appointments from each house. 1 house captain and 2 vice captains. Now, any guess by anybody? Or would you like to see somebody else?
I think Sanjana will come to
Yes, so Sanjana.
Sanjana.
Okay. I heard all of you, and I think we don't need to spend time asking every one of you. I think in general, the consensus is somebody. And I also know that captain growing from a very junior class, and I'm extremely happy, satisfied, and proud to announce Sanjana as a school captain of 9th grade. Sanjana,
Thank you so much, sir.
how do you feel?
Thank you so much for this opportunity, sir. I'm really emotional, and this moment means so much to me because ever since this may sound cheesy, but ever since I can remember, I've been looking at those 9th grade captains on stage and thinking, wow, that's going to be me one day. And it is today. So thank you so much.
It is today. It is your day. It is all of your day, but you are the school captain, so you bear the baton. We have the associate captain from Ganga House, and that is Sampurna Krishna. Sampurna?
Honestly, I was associate captain in 4th grade, and I feel very honored to be the same again. Just take the same.
Great. Nice. Keep it up. And then we come to 2 vice captains. Akshata from Kaveri. Akshata?
Hi, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm actually really surprised.
Good.
And I'm looking forward to the year because, like Sanjana, I considered it and I never knew what the responsibility would be. So I'm looking to enjoy that responsibility.
Good. That's what you should do. Look forward to doing things. And the next vice captain is Fadil Khan from Narmada House. Fadil?
Thank you, sir. I really didn't expect this.
So you are the 4 school assignments who are going to take a lot of responsibility, whether the school is in person or online. We can do a lot of things. This is an opportunity to create new ideas, new systems. Okay. We come to house captains. This time we'll go from Narmada because every time we start with Kaveri. Narmada captain Anvi Malhotra.
Thank you.
You have the house to lead, and you will have 2 assistants, Shivani Daulat and Akshada Shivakumar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful. Keep it up, Narmada House. We come to Krishna House. The house captain is Abhijit R. Dikshit. Abhijit?
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
We have 2 assistants to you, Rishank and Navya. All the best, do well. Come to Ganga House. We have Devansh as house captain, Aryan Rakesh and Manya Vishwanath as vice captain. We come to Kaveri House. We have got Ashya Anand as captain of Kaveri. Vice captains. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to all the appointments. Now, we are coming out with one more set of appointments from the 9th grade. I thought of making 2 sets of appointments. One appointment as school appointments in charge of running the school, looking at programs, looking at activities, looking at the way things are going on, which you're all familiar with. This year, we are creating a new set of captains, okay? And these captains, I have allowed one thing, even some of those who are school appointments can also hold this appointment. There's no restriction, but nobody can hold more than 2 appointments. If you're a school appointment, vice captain, captain or anything, you may have one more responsibility or you may not have. And this set of appointments will look after so many other aspects. I will come to those aspects after telling you the name of these captains. They are called RISE, RISE captains. This stands for Research, Innovation and Sagacious Enrichment Captains. So this is a set of captains who look after research innovation. This is the first year. We have got rice captains for science, math, social studies, literature, engineering, technology, culture, and we have got rice captains for sports. These 8 areas will have 16 captains. We start with science. Science, the rice captains are Akshata Amara and Vadapalli Sakit. For maths, we have Achyut Bhardwaj and Avisha. We come to social studies. You may ask me what you are supposed to do in these subjects. Look at ways of making these subjects more interesting, more meaningful, what new things can be done, how we can make children more involved. That's a responsibility to work on it in your mind. Social studies, we have Bhavya Garg from Narmada and Maya Mohan from Kaveri. Literary captains are Sanjana Shankar of Krishna and Sampurna of Ganga. So let's come to engineering captains. Siddharth R of Ganga and Sean Thomas of Ganga. Both are from Ganga. Coming to technology, we have Atharva Kumar of Narmada and Arush Agarwal of Narmada, again from the same house.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We have 2 cultural captains, Kavya Arun from Kaveri and Preeti from Narmada. We have sports captains, Achyut Bhardwaj and from Krishna House and Kavya Arun from Kaveri. All these appointments will stand up and take a vote administered by Aryan.
I request all the school appointments to turn on the camera. Okay, so repeat after me. I, the school captain, school appointment of Gear Innovative International School,
I, the school captain,
swear that I shall at all times and places,
swear that I shall at all times and places,
in thought, word, and deed,
in thought, word, and deed,
live up to the high ideals of captaincy.
Live up.
live up,
I shall always work towards the betterment of the school,
shall always work
Betterment of the school.
I shall do my best and encourage others to do the same. I shall set an example for my peers and juniors to follow.
I shall set an example.
Yes, and juniors to follow.
Finally, as a school appointment,
Finally,
As a school appointment.
I promise to lead the school by setting a good example for our schoolmates.
I promise to lead the school by setting a good example for our schoolmates.
And to always abide by the rules and play fair.
And always abide by the rules and play fair.
Thank you, sir, for your wise words and congratulations to all the appointments. I extend my thanks to everyone who has put in the effort into making this event a success and for your presence this morning. Lastly, I congratulate all the appointments and wish them the best of luck on their journey ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your really, really rich words. And I wish all the appointments a big congratulations. You are all really, really well deserving. And all of you, please remain grounded and also live up to what you have been appointed as. And all the very best. Thank you, Vanshika, for taking on the session. Thank you so much. Yes, Shivani, you want to say something? All the best, especially to Drupad and to Sanjana and all the appointments. You all need to work hard and live up to it and stay grounded. All the best.